Hi guys, this side CMA Vipul Shah. Today I am going to share with you important FAQs related to intraday trading. The first one is timing. Time is 9:15 AM to 3:30 PM for trading. Second, do we need Demat account for intraday? No, we don't need Demat account for intraday. Tip number 3. Sir, what will happen if target is not achieved? Then it will be credited to your Demat account. Then you have to have Demat account. Otherwise, you will have to sell it. Correct. Tip number 4. Can I do intraday trading only in shares? No, you can do it in equity also. Tip number 5. Now, who will give me intraday tip? It can be given by your stockbroker, or you are if you are part of some Telegram group, WhatsApp group. They also share with you. And last tip and most important. So, is it profitable to deal in intraday? I feel it's very risky. Unless you have right information and knowledge, intraday trading is very risky. So I hope you like this information. Please save the reel and follow my channel for more stock update. Thank you so much. Bye bye.